got a cell phone and when people talk to you, you could hardly hear them through the microphone here, or when you talk, they can't hear you really good. I'm going to show you guys what to do real quick. If it's faintly still there or very low, but if it's completely not there, this is probably not going to help you. But if it's faintly there, you're going to want to take a sewing pin, sewing needle, and scrape back and forth across this mesh. This will work on any cell phone, but the iPhone is more common to have a little thin mesh screen over here, and you can see just the dirt coming off of this thing. It's just piling up. And this is an iPhone 8 Plus, but the person could not hear, and I'm not going to charge them anything for fixing this problem, but this is like 99% going to fix their freaking problem. And down here you got your microphones, and for the iPhone, most of these are speakers right here, but one of the holes is a microphone. I believe it's the third or second one right here, one of these three. So all you're gonna do is, I can't do this with one hand with the video, but you're gonna scrub it around that little pin right there. You can even give it some tiny little pokes like that, and you're gonna be amazed how good your phone's gonna work after you watch this. All I ask is you go back and give me that thumbs up. And even if you wanna come over here and just poke, I'll zoom in over here. You can see all the little specks that came off. And I only got one hand, look at this, watch that. To do this, if I had two hands to scrub this out, you'd see the stuff just flying off of this thing, and it was just completely jammed up is what it was. That's better. You could see that now coming up, but you can give it some little pokes if you want after, if it doesn't work still as good as you want, but your mesh is completely blocked. That's all it is. You don't need to take it and get it serviced or get a new phone. This is going to fix your problem. Give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. You don't got to subscribe or nothing like that, but hopefully this fixed your phone. Leave me a comment and have a good day.